And all of a sudden, we're onto the groups of 8 strategy. How did that happen? Well, don't worry, we'll go back and do the other numbers in a minute. To show you the groups of 8 strategy, I'm going to choose the number 7. 7 groups of 8. The first thing that we need to do is we need to start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to do the same thing that we did in the 2 strategy, which is to double it. And then we're going to do the same thing that we did in the 4 strategy, which was to double it again. And finally, the last part of the 8 strategy is to double it all one more time. So we would have notice I'm putting 4 more on each group to match the 4 that we already have. And now I've drawn 7 groups of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 each. How would we do the calculation? I'm going to double 7. So it would be 7 plus 7 equals 14. Then we double 14. Double 14 is 14 and another 14, which is going to be equal to 28. And the last step in the groups of 8 strategy is to double it one more time. Double 28. When I double 28, I have 28 and another 28, which is going to be the same as 56. 56 is my final answer, so I can write it here. 7 groups of 8 is 56. I wonder if we counted them, if we would get 56. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. We did it. So 7 groups of 8 is 56. But more importantly is the strategy here. You can take any number you want to find a group of 8 of that number. And what we need to do is we need to double, and then we need to double. We need to double 3 times. Anytime you want to find a group of 8, you can use this strategy. Double once, double twice, double 3 times. Have a go at the attached activity. Make sure that you can do this for yourself, and I will see you in the next video.